Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Luxul P40 AC1200 Wi-Fi bridge range extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, plug the Luxul P40 into a power outlet close to your Wi-Fi router. Wait about 1 to 2 minutes until the power LED becomes solid. Make sure the extender has completed its startup process before continuing. Find the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router. The button may be labeled WPS, Wi-Fi Protected Setup, or 2 circular arrows icon. Press the WPS button on your router once. The WPS LED on the router should begin blinking. The router will remain in pairing mode for approximately 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on the Luxul P40. Hold it for about 1 to 2 seconds, then release it. The WPS or wireless LED on the extender will begin blinking. The extender now searches for the router automatically. The pairing process usually takes 30 to 120 seconds. During this time, the extender exchanges security settings with the router. The Wi-Fi password is copied automatically. No manual configuration is required. Once complete, the WPS LED stops blinking. The wireless signal LED becomes solid. The extender is successfully connected to your router. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for such more informative videos.